Welcome to Brains World 23! Let's rock!
Welcome to Brains World. And today, with your host, that crazy car McGee guy, we're going to be working on this Honda CR-V, and we're going to change the headlights with these Ultra Sylvania night vision lights. These better work, because my wife says she can't see when she goes down the road. And we're going to get a little help from my buddy over here and my other buddy over here. All right, so let's get to it. All right, so it's pretty simple. So what you want to do is there's a little, kind of like a little button right here. Push that in, and then you, oops, here it is. And you just pull this down, just like that. See that? Then you take the bulb and you just turn it counterclockwise, pull that out. Pretty simple. All right, so then we're going to put the high beam in. All right, so we're just going to clip it in, just like that. And all right, then you match up the pattern. I don't know if you can see that or not. And just turn. That's simple. We do the same thing with the other one. And we're gonna push the button, pull it out. We're gonna turn counterclockwise. So here's the old one. It's a regular light. And I always recommend keep your old ones if they're still working. That way, just in case, you know, these burn out, which, I mean, they're not gonna burn out for a while because they're LED. And it's hard to put these in the wrong place because notice there's a little tiny clip on the side right here and here. Well, the other one doesn't have that, and it won't let you put them in. So I'm going to push that in. And if I don't know if you can see that or not, just line up the pattern. And so you just line up the pattern like that. If you can see that or not. And righty tighty lefty loosey, so we're tightening it up. That's in there. And that's all there is to it. On the other side, it's just the same. Can't mess up. I mean, the high beams will only go in the high beam spot, and the low beams will only go in the low beam spot. So this is your high beam, this is your low beam. High beam, low beam. And again, point out, and that is, it's very difficult to put these in wrong. If you notice on this side, there's these little tabs over here, so it won't allow you to plug them in. And then in the front, you'll also notice, see the pattern? The pattern sizes are also different, so it won't work. If you try to put this one in where the pattern's larger, it'll fit in the hole, but you won't be able to lock it down. This one won't go in the hole at all. So that should keep you from making a mistake. So I just wanted to point that out to you. So here's an example of the hole being one size. If we try to put this in, I don't know if you can see that or not. So it fits, but guess what? You can't lock it down because the pattern is different. I mean, it's the same, but the hole size is larger for the pattern. I don't know if you can see this or not, but here's the button that you push to release and put on. On the other bulbs, you don't have this cord, so you have to release it while it's down in there. On these LED ones, it has a longer cord, so you can put them in and then put the cable on. Here's the lights when it's a little bit darker out. You could definitely tell the difference. Here's the difference between the two lights. I think it's pretty easy to tell which one's new, which one isn't. All right, so here we are looking at the lights in the evening. Obviously the driver's side is brighter. Those are the regular lights. All right, and I'm gonna go turn the brights on and we'll take a look at those. And this is what the brights look like. And that's with those LED Sylvanias.
Brains World 23. Follow us on Facebook.